What's going on, guys? My name's Bill. This is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools. Tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around the garage. Rack and pinion steering, or more accurate, the inner tie rods of a rack and pinion steering system. These things can be a real pain to either remove and install if you don't have the right tools. This is an inner tie rod installation and removal kit. And it comes with a bunch of different, basically like wrench ends that are designed for all different types of inner tie rods. And that allows it to go right on there, just like a large crow's foot wrench, basically. And then this large tube basically goes over your inner tie rod, meets up with this wrench end, locks in place, and then you can put a breaker bar or a wrench on the end, break it free, and then torque down the new one. I recently had to do an inner tie rod on my daughter's car, so I'm going to link to that video clip here so you can see just how this toolkit is used. I'm going to try to set you guys up here so you can see. Hopefully that's a good shot. I've got it on there. I've already broke it free. Now you just get the wrench out. There's the inner tie rod. And according to the book, the torque on this thing is 25 to 50. Kind of a odd range. So I set my torque wrench for 40 and we'll get this thing torqued on. Hopefully, if it'll fit. I may have to move the camera. There we go. Now we can pull this off and put the outer tie rod end. It's really that simple, guys. If you're ever having to replace some inner tie rods, spend a little bit of money, pick yourself up an inner tie rod installation and removal kit. I'll leave some links down below. It's one of those tools that you don't really need all that often, but when you need it, you're gonna be glad you had it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, get back to work.